Hi, I'm John Stanaland. I'm here at my new listing at 7 Montage Way in Laguna Beach at the world-famous Montage Resort. I'm super excited to show you this home. Let's go through. This spectacular property was built in 2013. 6 bedrooms, 10 baths, 12,000 square foot lot, 8,300 square foot home, one of only 13 home sites at the Montage. So the property is an ultra high-end build of modern tropical. As you enter the property, you'll see a glass bridge that leads to the front door. Once you open the front door, you understand just why this property is so spectacular. The front door will lead you into a spacious open concept living room, complemented by carved wood features, elongated glass fireplace, and stunning views of the California coastline, resting above the infinity pool. The upstairs living space maximizes the view with large, transparent sliding doors, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Flowing with the open concept of the kitchen, you will find an abundance of counter space and every appliance one could dream of. The master bedroom is the epitome of tranquility. With 2 large closets, dual vanity bathroom, features a large walk-in shower and custom wooden bath. Watch the ocean through the large open sliding doors and listen to the waves crashing on the nearby shore. Traveling down the wooden spiral staircase, you'll enter a large entertainment space with an abundance of natural light. The temperature-controlled wine cellar and tasting room exudes sophistication. The office offers a quiet place of privacy with great potential for productivity. One really cool feature of this house is directly below the glass deck is the home gym. The gym peers into the transparent underwater wall of the pool. So cool. The home theater is equipped with surround sound and is controlled by the home's smart system. So I hope you enjoyed the video and the tour of one of the most spectacular homes on the California coast, and only one of 13 at the Montage itself. Truly spectacular. Enjoy, everybody.